guys, GoPro 4 ran out of juice on me. So anyways, you guys, I'm on the GoPro 5. What's going on? Here's this was left over from the hurricane. It used to be a vending truck, but no more. Made a poor choice, left it on, thought I had it off, but well, where she goes. Here we are, Lucas Bay in St. Maarten. Walk out here, really nice. Ankle deep. Yeah, windy, but it's just you can walk all over the place out here. Sound's not going to be as good because it's more of an open mic on the 5, but you get your point. See how cold this wet and fresh it is. Oh yeah. $200 and I think it was 85, 90 bucks to rent the four-wheeler. We got a mile out. Watch the plane come in. But it's cool. It's kid friendly here. I mean, you know. Got my water shoes on. Yeah, it's Monday the 12th of April. It's nice. Yeah, this Lucas Bay is one of my favorite places to come to. No one ever comes here really. It's not like on the map and the sexy place to go for the cruise ships. Been here a few times. A lonely weed. I'd go say walk way over there, hang out. I know I'm gonna put a brick in here, but so it's about ankle deep. You can walk all over the place in here. Great windy day for a cigar, right? Also a good day for kite flying. Yeah, I left the 4 on. That was a poor choice, but not the other world. But the four-wheeler runs pretty well. What about the 5? I don't know if there's a microphone, but this is going mainly in a waterproof case. You can hear me on the outside, but not like you can more crystal clear with the 4. This is so cool. Waves aren't too bad. All kinds of different rocks, different sizes, different formations. Yeah, it's hard over here. Oyster Beach is on the other side over there, straight ahead, you guys. That's a really nice area. You got a lot of, this is more of a wealthy area over there. guess they do a lot of surfing over here, I guess. The guy told me. You could spend a long time here walking around. Make sure you have shoes on. I don't know. What does that look like? Something looks like a motorcycle, doesn't it? Looks just like a motorcycle. Isn't it? It's kind of cool. A monster. It looks like an alien on a motorcycle. Isn't it? It's whatever you want to believe, right? Kind of cool. All kinds of weird stuff here. Reserve National Park, I guess it is. Let's go to the top, huh? Ooh. This is an ankle breaker here. If you're not careful, you go here. We put it right here. It's kind of. What does this look like? Looks like a dog, isn't it? A dog riding a man. That's not a motorcycle. Look at that. Look right there. It's a motorcycle. Whatever you want. People, think a cheetah looks like Elvis or something. They pay big money for that behavior. I guess I could say that's Elvis on a motorcycle, right? The pretzel. Oh yeah. I need to see my mug. All these holes in here. It's aliens. I'm looking for quests of a life. This is called vlogging, I guess, right? Take you on vacation to St. Maarten. Some that can't go. Oh yeah. I'm on top of the mountain. Yeah, it's an ankle breaker here. You gotta watch where you're walking. Make our way back down, shall we? Without killing ourselves. Hope you enjoyed the video on the 5. Sorry it wasn't the 4. You leave it on. One thing about the GoPros, they suck juice very quickly. They only have one battery, so just charge up when I get back. Do a couple more videos, so anyways. I hope you're enjoying the videos. All kinds of different 10-minute videos with the sunglasses and the flip, whatever else. 2021 St. Maarten vacation that was put on hold for a year because of the effing disease, right? The virus. So, all right, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. You can walk all the way out there if you wanted to as well, I guess. Walk out there. But I don't know how. Yeah, you could walk straight out and cross, I guess. So I'm gonna walk over there. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you guys all later. Ciao.